Forget cruise ships. They might be luxurious and relaxing, but they don't hold a candle to the life on a Navy vessel. Life on a Navy vessel is a whole different world, a realm of discipline, duty, and camaraderie. Imagine a floating city, bustling with activity 24/7, where every second counts and every task is crucial. You've got sailors from all walks of life, working, eating, and sleeping just feet away from each other, creating a unique, tight-knit community. It's cramped, it's loud, it's a sensory overload that becomes the norm. And it's an experience you won't find anywhere else, a test of endurance and resilience. Now, I'm no stranger to tough jobs. I've cleaned sewers, wrangled alligators, you name it. But nothing quite compares to the life on a Navy ship. The men and women of the Navy face a unique set of challenges, from navigating rough seas to handling high-stakes operations. They live and work in a constantly moving, high-pressure environment where every decision can have significant consequences. And trust me, it takes a special kind of grit to handle it, a level of determination and courage that's truly inspiring. But here's the thing about the Navy. It's not just about the tough times. It's about the moments of triumph and unity. It's about the bonds forged in the fire, the sense of purpose that drives them forward, the pride of serving your country, and the honor that comes with wearing the uniform. It's about knowing that you're part of something bigger than yourself, a mission that transcends individual goals. And that's what I want to show you, the heart and soul of life on a Navy ship. So, climb aboard and let's dive into the real experience of life on a Navy ship, where every day is an adventure and every sailor has a story to tell. First things first, forget sleeping in. The life of a sailor is not for the faint-hearted. A sailor's day starts before the sun rises. We're talking 0 dark 30, folks. The ship is already buzzing with activity. Reveille sounds, and everyone's up and at 'em. No time to waste, every second counts. First order of business, get that steel beast ship shape. It's a team effort and everyone has a role to play. We're talking swabbing decks, chipping paint, the works. Every inch of the ship needs attention. After breakfast, it's time for training and drills. Firefighting, damage control, and more. Man overboard. These sailors train for every scenario imaginable. Preparedness is key. Remember, their office can turn dangerous in a heartbeat. The sea is unpredictable. They gotta be ready for anything. Constant vigilance is a must. Now, a sailor's duties go way beyond keeping the ship afloat. It's a complex operation. You got your mechanics keeping the engines humming, ensuring the ship runs smoothly. Electricians making sure the lights stay on, and all systems are go. And cooks whipping up 3 square meals a day. They keep the crew well fed and energized. And let me tell you, cooking for hundreds of hungry sailors, that's a feat in itself. It's a culinary marathon. But it's not all work and no play. Downtime is crucial for morale. Evenings are a time for camaraderie. Maybe catch a movie, hit the gym, or unwind. Or just shoot the breeze with your shipmates. These moments build bonds that last a lifetime. It's about blowing off steam and reminding yourself there's a human under that uniform. It's a balance of duty and downtime. Out here, miles from land, your shipmates become your family. They are the ones you laugh with, cry with, and share your life with. You're living in close quarters, sharing meals, facing challenges side by side. Every meal becomes a moment to connect, to share stories, and to build trust. You rely on each other, look out for each other. Every task, no matter how small, is a team effort. That creates a bond you won't find anywhere else. I've seen it firsthand. It's a bond forged in the fires of shared experiences and mutual respect. These sailors come from all walks of life, different backgrounds, different beliefs. Yet, they find common ground in their shared mission. But out here, none of that matters. What matters is the unity and the shared goal. What matters is that you're wearing the same uniform, fighting for the same cause. It's a powerful reminder of the bigger picture. And they celebrate together too. Every achievement, no matter how small, is a reason to come together and rejoice. Birthdays, holidays, even just making it through another day at sea. It's all a reason to come together. These moments of joy are cherished. They share stories, play cards, maybe even break out a guitar. These simple pleasures bring a sense of home to the vast ocean. It's about creating a sense of normalcy in the middle of the extraordinary. These moments of relaxation are vital. This camaraderie, this sense of belonging, it's what gets these sailors through the tough times. It's a lifeline in the storm. It's a reminder that they're not alone, that they've got brothers and sisters in arms right beside them. Together, they are stronger. Let's talk about personal space, or the lack thereof. Imagine sharing a room the size of a walk-in closet with a couple of other people. That's the reality for most sailors. Privacy is a luxury they can't afford. And then there's the matter of deployments. Weeks, sometimes months, away from loved ones. No phone calls, no internet, just the occasional letter to bridge the gap. It's tough, no doubt about it. But you know what? These sailors, they find a way. They adapt, they improvise, they make the most of what they got. They turn footlockers into desks, bulkheads into photo albums. They find ways to stay connected, to keep their spirits up. Because that's what they do. They endure. They persevere. They find strength in the face of adversity. And they do it all while serving their country, protecting our freedoms.